Hello, it's Mr. Hammond, and we are looking at simplifying expressions. So in this particular problem, we're going to look at the following. So let me go ahead and, so we are going to look at this particular problem, and we're going to simplify it as far as it will go. That does not involve solving, it's just simplifying it. Looking at this, we have A times the quantity of 5 plus B, and then we have negative minus 3A times the quantity of B plus 2. So if I'm looking at this portion first, I know I need to multiply A, or distribute A to the 5 and the B. When I distribute it to the 5, I would have 5A. Remember, you always put the number in front of the variable, so it wouldn't be A times 5, it'd be 5A. And then A times B, you want to put those in alphabetical order. So rather than saying plus BA, we would say plus AB. Then we have a negative 3A, or minus 3A. Now negatives and minus signs are basically the same thing. They're the same thing. So when I say negative or minus, it means the same thing. So we have the minus 3A times B, and then the minus 3A times the 2. When I multiply the minus 3A and the B together, it gives me a minus 3AB. And then when I multiply the minus 3A times 2, well, the 3 and the 2 would multiply together to give us a 6, so we'd have minus 6A. Alright, now this looks a little bit simpler, but what we want to do is simplify it as far as we can. So now we look at this and let's see if we can find any what we call like terms. Like terms are terms that have the exact same variables and the exact same exponents. Now in this case we don't have any exponents other than 1. So if we look at 5A, for example, so I'm going to put a box around this. We have to determine if there are any others that have just an A, which we do over here. And what I do is I like to color code them, and I like to put specific shapes. That way you know that the green blocks go together. Then I jump to, let's grab the blue, AB. Well, I have a plus AB here, and then I have a minus 3AB here. So now you can easily see what's going to be combined together. So the 5A and the negative 6A. So if at 5, negative 6, 5 minus 6 is negative 1. So I would have negative 1A. Or you could write that as just negative A. And then a plus AB minus 3AB. Now technically you could say this is a 1AB because there's only 1 there. But typically when there's only 1, you don't have to write it. So you have 1 minus 3, that would give us a negative 2 or minus 2AB. And then these two terms cannot actually be combined because one of them has just an A. The other one has an AB. It's kind of like adding apples and oranges together. You can't add them together. So this is our final answer. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to call me or send me an email, denny.hammond@vcslearn.org. Have a great day.